fiber with calcium, rich of calcium, vitamin and mineral. That's what your body needed to make your immune system higher. Thank you for watching and hopefully to see you again. Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will share how to make the lunch healthy, simple and delicious, of course. Full of vitamin, calcium, mineral and also fiber, what your body needed, and it's really good for digestive system. Please watch this video from begin until the end, and please subscribe, like and share. I will show you all the ingredients. Let's start with cheese, pate, 2 yogurt. I like to give the yogurt this lunch for my hubby, for my husband, rich of calcium. Lettuce, little bit pili sauce, bread, the cereal bread, because the cereal bread like this type is rich with fiber and mineral. You see, with sesame seed, and it's this dark color. That's more healthy. It's really good for your digestive system. And the grape, the red grape. This type of a grape is rich of vitamin C. Butter, little bit butter, and don't forget 1 waffle for snack for the lunch for my hubby, and juice with like this. Just a little bit butter. Because in butter is not only fat but contained with omega 3 and omega 6. I choose this type of butter. All the bread with butter, and I will add the pili sauce like this. Pili sauce, because my husband like a little bit spicy, just a little bit. Okay, then I will use the pate, this one. Okay, don't forget to wash your hand before you start. Add the lettuce of the salad, and then cover it like this, and then I will cut it. Like this. Okay. This yogurt, I put it here. I will use a little bit pili sauce, add a little bit pili sauce, and I take this one. So every bread is different, like this. and then I will add little bit salad like this. Okay, and then like this. Got it. Okay. And then put it here. So the third one I will use, I will add the salmi. Okay, and a little bit pili sauce. Okay, and the salad. And this, and got it. Put it here. Okay, and the last one I will add the cheese. Yes, and cheese is rich of calcium. It's good for you, for your bone. And like this. And cut it. Then add the grape I wash already. So the grape I will put it here. Okay. Okay, and the snack. Here, and I add 1 teaspoon for the yogurt. Okay, like this. Okay, the grape was like this, but I cut it like this, the small pieces, pieces by pieces, to keep it fresh, because if I pull it out like this, I lose the vitamin of this grape. So I just cut it pieces like this to keep it fresh and still have a vitamin inside. Just use the scissors. So this the result. Okay, the bread with the cheese. I ate every pieces with different things. Any choice like you like. And this with the waffle. Don't forget the snack and the grape. Okay, I cut it with scissors. And this one, the yogurt. Okay, yogurt. Okay, 2 pieces of yogurt. Simple, easy, and healthy. This lunch, especially for my husband, every day for work, to go work. But always a different type of meat, of something else I made, but this time I made this one. So please give me a feedback and give me like, and please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching my video today. Please take a look to my other video on my playlist. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye for now. Bye and greeting from Inang, Belgium. Bye bye. Bye.